For over 50 years, we've been guaranteeing excellence in the world of laboratories. We think of the work environment as a totally safe and mentally challenging place, making it a space where actions generate new research and opportunities. The laboratory of the future should be thought of by imagining a lifestyle freed from conventions, an ever-changing space that constantly creates innovation and development. Thanks to more than a decade of experience, we are able to provide a safe and functional work environment. By supplying fume hoods, laboratory furniture, and safety storage cabinets of certified quality. From our head office in Italy, where we take care of the internal market, we reach worldwide markets through our offices located in Paris, Shanghai, and Dubai. All of our products are made in Italy and certified according to the strictest European norms. Some of them have an international patent, like the RMP flow regulation system, which makes our fume hoods the safest on the market. Our constant research and attention to details allows us to apply the maximum of safety and user-friendliness. The best, safest, and best equipped environment for your research. To create it today is our ambition. Tomorrow, it will be your pride to have it at your disposal. Protecting your life in laboratory.